Hello, it's Chuck Feeder More. Today we're going to do a quick cooking video. And it'll involve an air fryer. And I'm going to make how I make a grilled cheese. So let's get to this. This is the bread I use. Heinz 35 calorie white. Some Birdie's jalapeno or any pimento cheese you can get. Any pimento cheese. 2 pieces of bread and butter. Need some Dukes, real mayonnaise. I prefer Dukes. First thing you want to do with an air fryer, you want to spray with some mist. There we go. Oh yeah, smoke. Okay, then you want to take a little butter. Oh Lord, this is fun. Uh-oh, hey butter. Come here, butter. Put it on there, like so. On one of them, I just want it on one. So. There we go. Put it in air fryer. 390. Then let it do a couple minutes. Show you how Chuck Food Reviews makes his famous grilled cheese. And while that's cooking, we need to get some pepper jack cheese. Cut 2 slices. And when it gets out, we put it on the bread. So here we go. It's out. We cut 2 slices like that. Then we're going to take some beautiful mayonnaise. Put it on the bread. Oh man. Okay, I meant to do it this way. So what we're going to do is yellow pimento cheese. Put it on here. Spread it out like that. Oh. Take about, not a lot, but somewhat. Let's see. Now scoop. And there you go. Now we're going to put this in the air fryer. Put it together. I'll get back to you. Put stuff up. Okay, you don't want to do this too long. We'll put this in the air fryer for about, let's see, probably 2 minutes. Let's do it for 2 minutes. There we go. Back out when it's done. Okay, it is done. There it is. Look at that. That it cool? Look at that. So here we go. So we'll let it sit and cool a little. This Chuck Food Reviews cooking with Chuck. Famous Chuck Food Reviews grilled cheese. Look at that. Got pepper jack with pimentos, cheese. I always said if I open like a little restaurant, it'll be a first menu. Chuck's famous grilled cheese. Oh yeah! I love cooking this grilled cheese. It's good. Thanks for watching this short cooking with Chuck.